Okay guys, so let's start the class of prepositions. Today I'm going to tell you about prepositions of place and prepositions of movement. So first of all, let's just watch this image. As you can see, prepositions of place. The ball which is closed by a surface. That's something which is covered up by the all surfaces, that is called in. For an example, we all are sitting in a room because we all are covered up by the surfaces. Got it? For an example, this duster is on the table right now. Got it? Because it is touching the surface. When something which is touching the surface, that means that is on. Got it? Next example, if I will put this and then after that I will put on this, that means this marker is under the duster. Got it? Yes or no? Okay. Now put this marker over there and I will put duster over there. That means this marker is next to this. Got it? Between. As you can see, I've kept two markers and the duster. That means whenever we are talking about two things and when something is kept between two things, that is called between. Now let me tell you the difference between and among. As you can see over there, this duster is surrounded by everything. That means this is among the markers, not between. Between we use, if I will just remove these markers, only two markers are there. That means now this duster is between the two markers. Got it? The duster like this and I put this marker like this. That means this marker is in front of duster. Same thing with the duster. Duster is in behind of this marker. Biggest confusion ever. Below and above. Let me explain. For example, I just put this marker over here and this duster over there. As you can see, there is no surface in between. That means this marker is above and this duster is below. But what happens if I will put like this? That means this marker is on the duster and this duster is under the marker. Got it? Confusion clear? Above, on, under and below. When something is keeping so close, that means this marker is near to the duster. If I will tell this marker is over there, that means this is far away. This is near and this is far away. Got it? This was the examples of prepositions of places. Now let me explain you the examples of prepositions of movement. So when something is coming down, that means that is down. When something is going up in the movement, that means that is up. Got it? Up and down. Now let me explain you something more about into. For an example, when I am putting this marker, that means I am pouring something into something. That means I am putting something into something. Into we use for when something we put into something. Got it? If I would say that this marker is coming out, that means when something is coming out from something, that is called out of the box. Yep. Into and out of. Not out, it is out of. If I will just pull this marker towards this object, that means this is coming towards this. That means towards. When something is coming towards any other object. But what happens if I will just push it like that? That means it is going away from this box. So that is towards and that is away. Towards and away. Confusion here? Let's move forward now. When something is just crossing very nearly or very closely like that, that means that is past from the object. Not in the fixed mode, that is moving like this. That is called past. Now, let me explain you over. When I will just do like this, that means this marker is going over the object. Got it? When something crosses over the object like this, in the movement, that is called over. Correct? Like airplane. Airplane goes over us. That means वो हमारे ऊपर से जा रहा है. And that is in a movement. For an example, if I am just putting like this, that means this marker is going onto this object. But if this marker is just getting down from this off from the box, correct? So that means that is on and that is off. Can you see this circle? If I were just put all the markers surrounding there and they are just moving here and there, that means they are around the object. Correct? When something is moving surrounding of the object, that is around the object. Correct? Let me explain you more regarding the under. When I will just hold this pen like this, that means this pen is moving under the object, as you can see over here, under the object. Got it? So this was the whole scenario of prepositions of movement. Hope you got it. Thank you so much.